Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the dual network. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. We need to draw the dual network for the network shown below. So this is the network given. Here 100 voltage source is available. Capacitor, resistor and inductors are connected together. We need to draw the dual network for this given network. First we need to identify the loops. We need to place the dot for the every loop. So this is this is the first loop. Loop is nothing but closed path. So the current is flowing through voltage source and capacitor. This is one closed path. This is another closed path. Resistor, inductor and capacitor. So here one dot is placed, numbered as 1. Here one more dot is placed, numbered as 2. The loop 1, loop 2. Outside the network one more dot is placed, that is numbered as 0. This is a reference node. So the first step, you have to put the dot in every loop, one more dot in the outside. So we have 3 dots, 1, 2 and 0. Now we need to connect all the dots. First we will connect dot 1 and dot 2 through the elements. So here 1 and 2 is connected through the capacitor, 10 microfarad capacitor. So this capacitor will convert it into inductor, 10 microhenry inductor in the dual network. This black color is the original network, red color is the dual network. Right? So 1 and 2 is connected through the capacitor, so that will be converted into inductor. Now between 2 and 0, what we have, 10 ohm in resistor is available. That will be converted into 10 mho conductance. Right, between 2 and 0. Then we'll see the 2 and 0. One more element is available. This inductor. Between 2 and 0, one more element, inductor, this connected by the dotted lines. So that inductor will convert it into capacitor. 0.1 Henry inductor converted into 0.1 farad capacitor. So between 1 and 2, capacitor is there, that will be converted into inductor. Between 2 and 0, 2 elements are available. One is resistor 10 ohm, that will be converted into 10 mho conductance. 0.1 Henry inductor, that converted into 0.1 farad capacitor. Now between 1 and 0, what we have, one voltage source is available. That is now converted into 10 ampere current source. Right? Voltage source now converted into current source. See the direction of current. Current is flowing in clockwise direction. That is from negative to positive. Current is from negative to positive. So the rise in potential. So the voltage also rising, going upward. The current also going upward direction. Right. So now all the elements are converted. Black color lines are original network. Red color lines are dual network. Now we'll see again. Between 1 and 2 we have inductor. Between 2 and 0, one conductance and one capacitor. Between 1 and 0, one voltage source, one current source. Right. Now we need to draw the dual network. First step, we have to put the dots. In a plain paper we have to put the dots. There we have 3 dots, 1, 2 and 0. So between 1 and 2, what we discussed, 10 microhenry inductor is there. Right. Between 1 and 0, one voltage source, rise in voltage, because current is flowing negative to positive terminal. Between 2 and 0, 10 mho conductance and 0.1 farad capacitor. Right. So the dual network is drawn by put the dots, 3 dots, then connect the dots. 1 and 2 connected with inductor. 1 and 0 connected with voltage source. 2 and 0 connected with one conductance and one capacitor. So this is the dual network of the given network. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.